Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new to my channel, I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. And also if you're enjoying cooking my recipe videos, kindly hashtag me on Instagram as Bioscope after taking a picture so that we can share with the rest of the folks. Today we are going to cook an absolutely delicious, spicy and healthy chicken recipe with roasted tomatoes. Roasting or grilling tomatoes is quite widely used across Northeast India, and we love it with our dried fish, meat and vegetables in various combinations throughout the region. Roasting or fire grilling tomatoes brings out a deep, intense flavor which we just love. And now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, tomatoes, potatoes which are peeled and chopped into halves, garlic, ginger, dried red chilies, fresh green chilies, chives, salt and oil. Now let's start cooking. First of all, we will have to fire grill our tomatoes. Once done, do not peel the skin and just keep it aside. Then grill your dried red chilies. Now take your mortar or grinder, add your green chilies, garlic cloves, ginger and grilled dried chilies into a paste. Now heat oil in a pan. Add your finely chopped chives and lightly fry on a medium flame for a minute. Add your chicken pieces, potatoes and ginger garlic chili paste. Stir it well. Cover and cook it for 20 minutes, occasionally stirring between. Add your grilled tomatoes and salt. We will now have to open cook the dish, stirring gently until the water has completely dried. Now add 1 cup of water, stir, cover and cook it for 20 minutes until the gravy achieves a desired consistency. Mine looks ready. And to go along with it, I have lightly cooked some spinach with oil and salt. And last but not the least, we have some freshly chopped carrots. Here is our Northeast style chicken with roasted tomatoes, and the recipe was little intricate unlike the simple dishes that we prepare, and I'm sure you have enjoyed it. And now I am going to dig in this delicious, spread of food which I have today. And if you look at my spinach, it's looking really tempting now. And while I was roasting my dried chilies, let me tell you guys, I should have turned on the chimney as well as the fan and opened the windows while cooking, as the flavor was too strong and just got punched in my throat. And but that is for sure going to be really fruitful because of the yumminess that every dried red chilies infuse into dishes. And now without further ado, let's dig in. So some steamed rice here. I'll place 1 spoon on my spinach. Yeah, the dish is I love this roasted tomatoes, and let me tell you, the skin has of course added a lot of fragrance and it's very tempting. I'm finding it really difficult to resist now. So let me just put like 1 spoon of this yummy gravy. Okay, I'm going to try the gravy first. Wow. It's really spicy and hot. You can get the beautiful flavor of all the ingredients. The potatoes are added basically to balance the dish, and you can add less number of it if you wish to. And let me help with this spinach. Also let me know, how do you prefer your spinach? Most of us in Northeast, we just throw into our stews. That's very simple, and I think a healthier way than deep frying, as it retains the nutrients. But before I'm going to dig into this chicken leg piece. It really smells good, and you can get this beautiful smoky flavor. I'm sure if we grill it on fire, it's going to be much more better. Yeah, wood has its own fragrance which you miss it in stove, but never mind. The flavors have got deep into the chicken, and as I was digging in, I could taste it till the bone. Oh, you can just go on eating this. This is like a whole new adventure of spice that you can feel. Yeah, it's not like ghost chilies. It has a very different flavor, and since these chilies are quite easily available for all of us, please go ahead and try this dish out. And I'm going to have my first morsel of rice. Yeah. Mmm. 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 The chilies are really strong and has a lovely fragrance, oh, which is just lingering, and I'm sure even after the meal it's gonna stay there for some time. If you like really hot food, you can add more chilies, either green or red, whatever you prefer. Mm. The meat is ultra tender, and if you are cooking with country chicken, please ensure that you add additional cup of water so that you can cook it further for another 20 minutes and let the chicken boil completely. I mean, not boil, it must be boiled by 40 minutes, but get tender. Mm. The sweetness of the tomatoes are so intense. It's quite a delicacy, I must say. So today, while I was roasting the dried red chilies, I remembered one of these childhood memories when I ran out of the kitchen, probably experiencing cooking for the first time. And we love roasting dried red chilies and making, mashing them with boiled potatoes. It goes really awesome with some lentils. Mm. The tomatoes. Mm. So as I was eating it, I could feel the tanginess of the tomatoes only towards the end, which is really lovely, and I'm sure it has been balanced out. The potatoes have added a lovely comforting texture. And now let me try out my spinach, which I like it in this way. Mm. Mm. It's been quite some time since we had spinach. We've been eating a lot of different green leafy vegetables which are locally available in Bangalore. Ah, these are quite yummy, very soft. Mm. Also, a fun fact about myself, I started eating spinach only because of watching Popeye the Sailor Man. Yeah, and I thought, and I used to hate green leafy vegetables other than this. And spinach is always one of my topmost favorite when it comes to green leafy vegetables. Also, do let me know what is your favorite green vegetable in the comment. Would be really lovely to know about you more. Mm. Mm. What a bombastic flavor, man. This dish really surpasses my expectation. and you will not miss any spice. Yeah, and it was only prepared with condiments. You can individually feel all the flavors of the various ingredients, and they just beautifully merge together into this wonderful dish. Ah, oh my gosh. I think everybody around the world loves chicken with roasted tomatoes in their own versions, and this is a northeast version, so do try it out. Mm. Mm. Also, I hope you are enjoying, this mukbang, and keep cooking the recipes as it motivates me to research more about northeastern food and present to you. And slowly I'm inching towards my goal of making you guys lose all your inhibitions towards northeast Indian food. Yeah, we don't only eat bamboo shoots and pork and ghost chilies, we eat these kind of food as well. Basically all vegetables, ferns, yeah, meat, fish, just name anything. Hmm. Hmm. Wow, I'm sweating all because of the heat. Oh my gosh, it's a wonderful recipe which I'm so glad to share with all of you, and I'm sure you'll be blown away by this recipe and its beautiful flavors. Mm. Mm. Okay, why leave some meat, right? It's really hot. I can just go on eating, but I'm already full. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Also, do share this recipe with your family and friends, and I will be back every Friday in the evening India time with new Northeast Indian recipes. I think I'm gonna burp. Sorry. Alright guys, see you soon.